Good evening viewers, I am Desta Asmedia. Elon Musk has announced that other person has received a brain implant from Neuralink. The technology aims to connect the human brain to computer and help people with serious nerve condition. Here is the report. Businessman Elon Musk said other person has had a special electronic device directly connected to their brain. The identified person received an implant from Musk company Neuralink, which makes devices that link the human brain to computer. Neuralink is one of many groups working to connect the human nervous system to machine. On the social media service X, which his own Musk said we've got 3 humans with Neuralink and all are working well. Neuralink announced its first brain implant 1 year ago. Recently, Musk said the company has improved its devices. Musk also said Neuralink hopes to implant the experienced devices in 20 to 30 more people this year. The second patient reportedly has a spinal cord injury and got the implant last summer. The person was playing video game with the help of the device and learning how to use design software. The first patient, also paralyzed after a spinal cord injury, said in him play video game and chess. Many other companies and research groups are working on similar projects. Two studies published last year, the New England Journal of Medicine described how brain-computer interfaces known as BCIs help people with ALS communicate better. ALS is a nervous system disease that affects cells in the brain and spinal cord. Nature magazine reported last September that there were published results from 28 trials were done of BCIs over the past 25 years. Rajesh Rao is director of the Center for Neurotechnology at the University of Washington. Rao said that many research laboratories has already shown the human can control computer cursor using BCIs. Rao said Neuralink might be different from the other in 2 ways. First, the surgery to implant the device is the first to use a robot to implant flexible electrical connector into a human brain to record brain signal and to control devices. Second, those connector might record from more part of the brain than interfaces from other research efforts. Rao said other companies such as Synchron, BlackRock, Neurotrope, and Onward Medical are carrying out BCI tests on people using methods that are different from Neuralink. Marco Babista is Chief Scientific Officer of the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation. He called BCI technology very exciting with possible benefit to people with paralysis. Through clinical tests, we will be able to what going to be the winning approach. He said it's a little early to know. A clinical trial follows established rules on how to design an experiment involving human subjects. Neuralink announced in 2023 that it had received permission from US officials to begin testing its device in people The Food and Drug Administration is responsible for approving the sale of medical devices. Dr. Rita Redbird studies high-risk devices at the University of California, San Francisco. Redbird said that most medical devices go on the market without clinical trials. However, high-risk devices that are seeking approval from the FDA before they go on the market need what is called an investigational device exemption. Neuralink says it has this exemption. That was the latest update on Neuralink brain implant technology. I am Desta Asmedia. Thank you for watching. Good evening.